My name is Demetra Butler. I am the SPI Savannah Project Manager with the Savannah-Chatham Metropolitan Police Department. We are on course to reaching our program goals and targeting repeat and violent offenders, as well as hotspot areas. We have successfully completed the identification of our top 100 violent offenders. We are managing those individuals on an electronic case file through our Savannah Area Regional Intelligence Center website, where each individual is contacted either on a weekly or monthly basis as needed. They are offered services at our Savannah Impact program, be it in employment, education, or cognitive skills training. In addition to that, our assigned police officers go out and visit these individuals either at their homes or employment, and they are there as an additional resource for those individuals. The top 100 individuals targeted group has been one where it's been very beneficial in that we keep these electronic case files that can be accessed by any of the 600 officers with the Savannah-Chatham Police Department, as well as their names are flagged in our Tiburon system. In the event that there is a hit on an individual, they can contact Savannah Impact police officer who can give them further information on individuals. In addition to the top 100 case management files on the top 100 individuals, we have completed our processes and protocols with our assistant district attorney assigned individual who has established protocols and procedures for GPS monitoring cases and pre-bond or post-sentence cases. Cases are screened through the court system who are eligible for violence or any other contributing factor in their histories for GPS monitoring consideration. Our assigned ADA reviews these particular cases and determines whether or not they're eligible. We then have a special bond form where the judges, we created a user-friendly judge bond form where the judges can order GPS monitoring, that individuals who are either in pre-bond or post-sentence can be placed on the monitor and monitored by the Savannah Impact program. That program has been officially running as of April 2011, and it is increasing day by day with regard to referrals from all the ADAs. We had the opportunity to train all of the ADAs on the particular GPS monitoring system and how it works. We have given access to the ADAs to our Savannah Area Regional Intelligence Center case management, where they can look at the top 100 individuals as well as those who are on GPS monitoring that are referred to by the court. We also have given, our third success I should say, we also have given some intervention strategies to our Chief of Police, Chief Willie Lovett, as well as the command staff members with regard to some of the findings with research. With regard to research, we were able to map out in a 12-month period the number of violent offenses that have occurred within our 5-precinct area, and with that we mapped also the top 100 where they live, as well as all the other individuals who are either on parole or probation within the county. We took that in determining where our hot spots were. So that has been the third thing that we've done in giving that information to our command staff members to show them how it looks with regard to where individuals are residing, where things are occurring, and to come up with strategies. We've broken it down by neighborhoods, which has been a very vital tool in coming up with accountability and strategies for the local precinct commanders. Our upcoming things in terms of what we have to look forward to is we will be working more towards coming up with evaluations. That's been some of the challenges that we've experienced thus far with identifying specific areas to evaluate, in that there have been many variables that have come into play in implementing this particular project. Housing has been an issue where we have dense areas where a lot of offenders are residing, which thus causes a lot of calls for services. So we're looking at that area. We have a situation where our juvenile population has increasingly been arrested for more violent offenses, so we've had to expand that as well. The GPS monitoring piece has been another area that we've had to expand, in that there, in addition to violence, there are other underlying things that variables that have caused us to re-look at opening the criteria for GPS monitoring consideration. Those are the key things that we are looking towards in trying to identify what is needed, what our next steps are, and coming up with the results of the SPI Savannah project in targeting repeat and violent offenders as well as the hotspot areas.